Multi-tenancy in SAP Customer Checkout Manager. This is extremely useful for large installations. In simple words, what does this mean? If you need 20 SAP Customer Checkout Manager, then you don't need to install 20 times Tomcat and 20 times SAP Customer Checkout Manager. You can install one Tomcat and install one time SAP Customer Checkout Manager in multi-tenancy mode, and then create 20 tenants out of it, and the data in each tenant is completely separated. For large installation, multi-tenancy is extremely helpful to reduce your operations and maintenance work. So whether to run Customer Checkout Manager in single tenant mode or multi-tenancy is a decision you have to make during the installation process. By default, it is single tenant, and you see when you are in the single tenant mode, it looks exactly like before. When you have installed Customer Checkout in multi-tenancy mode, then in the login screen, you have to enter the tenant ID. And if you don't enter the tenant ID, that means you want to log in into the master tenant. And you can recognize it here because at the top, we display SAP master tenant. So when you're running Customer Checkout in multi-tenancy mode, you will have a new app called Tenants. And in this tenant app, you can see here that I have created so many tenants. And if you want to create a new tenant, you can click on the plus button, provide all the necessary information and save, and a new tenant will be created for you within a few minutes. And when I want to log in into a specific tenant, then I provide the user credentials and the tenant ID. And I'm in a new tenant, and you can see that this is a completely empty tenant. At the top, you can also see the name of the tenant. In SAP Customer Checkout, of course, this means that if you want to connect to a specific tenant, then we have a new field called tenant ID, and there you have to enter the tenant ID. In case you don't enter any tenant ID, this means that you are running Customer Checkout Manager in single tenant mode, or you want to fetch the data from master tenant. I hope this gives you a quick overview about multi-tenancy in Customer Checkout Manager.